This screencast is going to show you how to access and log into our Destiny library catalog for Brooklyn Center Middle and High School STEAM, as well as how to search for books and how to create lists for books. Unfortunately, the link for the BC Reads website is difficult to find on our webpage. So what I usually do is go up to the search feature and I search for BC Reads. The one that you are going to want to click on is just the plain old BC Reads. I'm going to click here. And here is our BC Reads website. So there's a lot here. There's some other help and tutorials for teachers. Here are how to find ebooks and audiobooks, but for our regular Destiny catalog, you're going to click right here. Now the next thing that you will do is log in. So you do not need to click on either of these links. You're going to log in. And your username is the first part of your email address before you get to the @. Your password is Destiny with a capital D. Username, everything's lowercase. Destiny has a capital D. Oh, let's see what I did wrong. There we go. Must have typed something wrong. So this is the landing page for our Destiny catalog. You can access some databases by going here. You can access the Hennepin County Library by going here. To search for books, however, you're going to go to catalog. And there are some basic search functions. The first one, you just type in a title. Let's see. Drawing a blank. I'm going to type in Wimpy Kid and I'm just going to hit enter, and that defaults to the keyword function. So here we have a list of our Wimpy Kid books. Unfortunately, many of ours are checked out and have not been returned, so I can assume they're probably not going to be. Over here is where you can see if the books are available. And there's another page of these as well. All right, I'm going to go back to the search. If I want to search by author, I'm going to type in the author's last name and click by author. And I will see all the books by Rick Riordan. You can use a power search if you really want to narrow something down. Chances are you would not need to ever really use this. It's if you're getting very, very specific. If you want to add a list, let's say you're creating a list for one of the units that you're teaching, you are going to go to Resource Lists and so you're going to click on My Lists. And you can look at the public lists if you like, but if you want to make your own, click on My Lists. You're going to add a list. And let's say you're going to do a unit on colonialism. So type in the name of your list. You can add a little description and then save it. So then when you're searching, let's see. And you find a book that you want to put in your list. You look up here, you make sure that the list that you want the book to go into is showing. If you want a different one, this will show all of your lists. Then you're just going to add to this list. So I'm going to add, and I know these aren't books on colonialism, but All right, so I added a few books to my list. I'm going to go back to resource lists, and I can view my list. These are the books that I added. I can edit my list, or I can delete my list. You don't need to click edit in order to add books. You can simply go to the catalog, search for books, and if you see one you want, make sure that in that drop-down menu, the colonialism list is the one that's selected, and then you can just continue to add books to your list. Even print your list or save it as a PDF, click on View, and then over here there's an option for printable list, and then you can go ahead and print that list or save it as a PDF. So that is it in a nutshell. That is how to use our Destiny library catalog. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. This is Jane Gottfried, and I will be happy to help you.